All right, listen, you're broke, you're ugly, you're not jacked like me, your mom still thinks wholesaling real estate is a scam and you don't know what to do. Good news, normal people just like you are getting massively rich by wholesaling real estate. You know your friend Carl, who eats 5 bags of flaming hot Cheetos every single morning? Like crazy Carl? He's getting rich wholesaling and you are still here and broke. And no, it's not because there's this magical connection that, Carl has with his uncle Jeff Bezos, right? It's because he's actually following the exact steps and the things I tell you to get rich and successful wholesaling real estate. So before you get back to watching your weird anime on Netflix, pretending that you're gonna get started wholesaling tomorrow, I'm gonna show you exactly everything you need to know right now today to start getting wholesaling real estate deals and the Lamborghini that you think you deserve. Like all jokes aside, like regular guys and gals, right? Regular wholesalers are making millions of dollars in this business because they just stick to what works. I mean, I'd love to tell you that there's like these brand new, crazy, innovative strategies that are just making everybody rich, this brand new thing, but it's really just fundamental stuff. Now, one massive secret that I can tell you is inbound marketing is like the new gold rush. Guys, inbound is hot. It's always been hot, where leads literally come to you, okay? Like the leads are coming to you. It's like it's like being 6'5", absolutely jacked out of your mind, going to the club. The ladies, they're coming to you, okay? You don't gotta be going out here and being weird. It's like me if I ever go to the club. Just my aura is so amazing that, everyone's just hitting on me and I'm like, hey, I'm married to the wholesaling game, babe, please. But the thing is, having leads come to you versus you going out there and attacking and going after leads, it's just a completely different wholesaling strategy. It's a completely different wholesaling business. And inbound marketing is just so much easier. It's less stressful. You're not all messed up all the time. You're not calling. You just have leads coming to you and life's just honestly a lot better. Now, one of my favorite inbound strategies is going out here and using AI for your inbound wholesaling marketing strategies. Now, AI is like a really big, massive like wholesaling buzzword, but it's really not that complicated. Let me explain. So I currently use a software called X Leads where I am able to get inbound motivated seller leads using AI. And the way I do it is I go out here and manually send 2, 3, 4, 5,000 texts a day. And then when the seller replies, AI is going to reply back and figure out if the person's interested or not interested. Then the AI is going to put it on my deal board and say, hey, these are all the interested people from today from the AI texting. Go reach out to them. Now, it's not like a perfect inbound strategy, but it's as inbound as it gets. You click a button, you send your 5,000 texts, 5, 6 of them want to sell the property. Then you just call 5 or 6 people that already said that they had interest. It's like buying a PPL lead, but way cheaper because you spent maybe $5 to send like 500 texts per lead. Like it's pretty dang good, right? $50 get you 50,000 texts. I mean, you can't really beat that. And that is going to be the first strategy. Like regular people are going out here just doing AI texting. It seems like crazy. It seems superhuman, but honestly, it's one of the simplest and easy strategies to go out here to get motivated seller leads and actual making a ton of money in this business. Now, number 2, and this one's kind of more of a secret strategy, but it's my double whammy EOG approach or my double whammy email approach. So again, I have something called the EOG system where pretty much all you do is you might send about 1,000 emails a day to motivated sellers. Now you might be like, oh my gosh, Zach, that is way too crazy. That's way too stressful. First and foremost, it's 30,000 emails a month. How do you even get that many emails skip traced? My software, I can only get 10,000 every single month. Well, here's the cool part. Everybody knows X Leads. Oh, did I mention X Leads before? xleads.com comes with 25,000 skip trace records included for $97 a month. So duh, you need to use X Leads. But you don't need to spend any money. Like obviously, yeah, you can buy X Leads so you get the skip tracing, but the actual process of sending the emails out costs no money at all. Is all you need to do is send the 1,000 emails with just a quick Loom video. Now, I know you live in a crusty basement in your mom's house trying to get rich and successful like me, and it's not easy, right? It's not like you can record in your Lamborghini and say, I'm looking to buy your house. I know your pale, crusty face has never seen the sun in about 4 months, but it might be good just to go outside in like the actual sunlight without burning to a crisp and just recording a quick video saying, hey, this is Zach. I'm actually ready to give you a cash offer on your property. I'm super excited to move forward with you. So if you're interested in a cash offer and you want to talk to me, please text me, call me. My phone number is blah, 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 blah. Leave it in the email. This is a personal email just for you. Appreciate it. And if you just make a little Loom video, you have that Loom link, you put it in the email, it automatically populates a little player. So for example, right, you're doing the EOG system here. If you just paste a Loom link, it automatically is going to pop up a video right there for you to click on the email. Boom. And if you use the EOG system, which we have in freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course and community, you're going to be able to connect Google Sheets of all the emails you skip, trace the next leads. Throw it in Google Sheets, use the software to connect it to Gmail. So you have 1,000 emails, you click it, it automatically sends thousands of emails out, and then you are going to be an absolute gangster. Because now you're not just sending cold emails like everybody else, you're sending videos and emails. And the coolest part about it is you're going to actually not be crusty. You're going to comb your hair for once and record that video. And the video is going to be super general, like stupid general. So pretty much any motivated seller knows that your name's Zach, you're looking to buy houses in the Dallas area for cash, the Houston area, whatever area you're looking to wholesale, and you're just going to blast those out. Now, the point is once you send 30,000 emails, right? So if you send 30,000 emails in the month, the cool part about that is they're all going to watch that video and they're all going to call you inbound. And either they're going to call you for two reasons. Number one, I hate you. You're so ugly. How dare you even come across my phone? You're the most disgusting face and voice I've ever heard in your life. Or they're going to say, yeah, I saw your video. I am looking to sell my property. Now, the first one, probably not going to happen. I can tell you this from experience. Most people might think that, but they're not going to say that. And if they do say that, I'll be honest with you, record it, like send it to me. I think it'd be hilarious. But I always tell everyone, it's like, there's nothing nobody could have said to me to really offend me at all in any cold calling endeavor possible, especially if someone inbound calls me. Because again, I played Call of Duty, Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2 during the heyday in middle school when we had those Xbox Live like chats. And I heard the most nastiest, crazy thing. Like if you're young, like you don't understand, this was like uncensored chats. They said the nastiest thing, the worst possible things you say to a human being. I heard it all at like 12 years old. So there's nothing a hater can probably say to me to faze me at this point. But if they either going to call you ugly or they're going to want to sell their property, if they're calling you ugly, just hang up. But you're going to get inbound motivated sellers calling you, wanting a cash offer in your property. And you have to go out here and go cold call all day, every day. Like it's kind of the best thing ever. Now, another thing regular people do to get a ton of deals is what I call reverse driving for dollars. And this one's a little more niched out, but you go to the dollar store, trust me, that's where you grocery shop, I bet. And for $1, you can probably get 500 sticky notes. Okay. Now, I'm just kidding. You know, only my haters grocery shop at the dollar store. But once you're out here going to the dollar store to get your side chick like those fake flowers for $1 to make it seem like you're a romantic guy, you're going to go on those sticky notes and you're going to write, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. And I'm telling you, put your Google Voice phone number on there. You're gonna just slap them on any ugly house you see. It's like drawing for dollars. And I'm telling you, if you're drawing for dollars, you see an ugly house, go out here and put the sticky note on the door. Once you put the sticky note on the door, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. You are then gonna get a stupid amount of inbound leads. Then from there, you're going to do this consistently, like every single day, and you're just not going to stop. You're going to keep doing this every day. Now you might be like, well, Zach, I don't want to do it every day. Well, do you want to call all day? Do you want to text all day? Like, do you want to be like everybody else? Now the thing is, normal people are getting really rich wholesaling, but they're not doing it by doing normal wholesaling things. They're doing things that are extraordinary, where they're putting an hour of work in, but they're getting like 10 or 15 hours of work compared to what the average other Joe wholesaler is doing. So that's the point. You're doing extraordinary marketing by being normal. So normal people are doing extraordinary marketing and getting extraordinary results. So that's how you're going to go from a broke basement dwelling loser to a rich, jacked Lamborghini wholesaling millionaire by just being consistent and doing the work every single day. Now you might be like, Zach, what gives you the right to say this? Well, I used to be broke. I used to be not jacked. I used to not be tall, but I've achieved all these amazing things that you can do by wholesaling real estate. Now, can I guarantee you're going to grow 6 inches on your height by just wholesaling houses? Honestly, whatever gives you motivation, you're going to grow 2 feet if you do a wholesaling deal, okay? Whatever will motivate you get a deal, I'm willing to lie. I have no shame in this. If you're willing to make $100,000 extra, I'll tell you whatever you want to hear. Again, I'm not here to sell you on anything. This is how you become super rich and successful. So guys, if you're ready to get started, make sure you join my free real estate wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com. And like always, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.